To prepare the eggs next, I'm using 6 hard-boiled eggs. To get a perfect hard-boiled eggs, boil the eggs for 12 to 14 minutes. And ingredient to this, I'll be using salt, pepper, red chili powder or domestic paprika, mayonnaise, mustard sauce and white vinegar. Now let's cut all the eggs into 2 halves using a sharp knife. Now we have cut the eggs into half. Now let's take a bowl and let's start with the process of making of this egg snack. Now in a bowl, let's take the egg yolk. All the egg yolk in the bowl and just keep the egg white separately. Now let's smash the egg yolk with using a fork. Now we'll add half teaspoon of salt. Now I'll use 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper. You can use crushed pepper for you as per your choice. If you're going to give this to kids or something and if you don't want to use crushed pepper, absolutely fine. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And half teaspoon of mustard sauce. And 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now let's give a good mix for this very well. Make to a very smooth paste. As you see now, our egg yolk paste is ready. Now let's start with the other thing to do. So friends, now let's take a piping bag. Now to do a filling, I always take a glass first, keep the icing bag on top so that I can fill it very well. So there is a good, easy, no waste for me. And now let's fill up the egg yolk mix into the piping. Now you see it's ready. Now on the egg white, let's do the topping of egg yolk that we've got. Let's garnish this with domestic paprika now. And let's garnish with little parsley or coriander on top. So friends, if you have liked our simple and easy snack recipe, please do show us your love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, stay safe, love you all, adios.